I agree with the assumption that he is a drug addict because he continuously refuses to do a drug test. Napakadali naman, di ba? Tulad ko, napakadali naman. Sinabi ko kaagad, gusto niyo ng neuropsychiatric test o kung ano ba man yung test na gusto niyo i-take ko. Gusto niyo ulitin ko yung bar exams. Lahat yan gagawin ko. No questions asked. Gusto niyo ng drug test? Sabi ko, dagdagan ko pa ng drug test. Napakadali gawin sa akin yan. Ngayon kaagad na araw na ito, gawin natin yan. Pero, lahat, sabi ko nga, sisimulan namin sa Office of the Vice President ang drug test, kaming lahat. Diba? So, dapat, tayo lahat sa gobyerno, mag-drug test tayong lahat.
Again, called on you to undergo a hair follicle test, citing the constitutional principle that public office is a public trust. What do you say to this, Mr. President?
No. Why should I do that? You don't see what they say, public trust, public office, public has nothing to do with the follicle test. There's no, wala namang connection ng sinasabi na. He's always had that weakness every time when he was still working for me. If you believe in what he was saying, why did he work for me?